Okay, so good morning to all of you. So we have started this chapter and 14C we were discussing. So let's discuss the last two questions of this exercise. So in question number 18 it is given that ABCD and PQRS are parallelogram. Okay, so we will use the properties of parallelogram and with the help of this we have to find the value of x. So how to find? Let's see. So first we take in parallelogram ABCD. Okay, first we will take ABCD. So this is 120. So angle C plus angle D will be 180 degree. Okay, pair of co-interior angles. So D is given. So C plus 120 equal to 180. So that means angle C is equals to 60 degree. So we found out this value. This is now 60 degree. Similarly, we will take in parallelogram PQRS angle Q equal to angle S equal to 70 degree. Okay, so this angle will be equal to this angle. Why? This is opposite angle of parallelogram. So we know that opposite angle of parallelograms are equal to each other. So now if you see carefully, let this point is O. In triangle OSC, x plus this 60 plus this is 70 now plus 70 equal to 180 degrees. So from here we will get 50 degree. So value of x is 50 degree. Okay, so you will get this type of triangle. This is S, this is C, and this is O. So this is x. This becomes 70 and this becomes 60 degree. So we will use the angle sum property. Okay, next is last question. Question number 19. So this is question number 19. Now this is a square. And okay, so this is the question. Now what is given in this? Given is DCFE is square. That means all the sides will be equal to each other. So all the sides will be equal to each other. And ABCD is rhombus. That means all the sides CD equal to AD. So here again all the sides are equal to each other. So we came to know that all the sides of this whole polygon is equal to each other. Now angle ABC is equals to 56 degrees given. So first we have to find the value of angle DAE. First we have to find angle DAE. So if you see carefully, this is a square. So it is 90 degree. And This is 56, so this is also 56. Why? Opposite angles of the rhombus. So we can say that in triangle, or we can write angle EDC equal to 90 degree and angle ADC is equals to 56 degree. This is opposite angle of rhombus, and these are the angles of square. So we can say that angle EDA is equals to how much? 90 plus 56, that is 146 degree. So this whole angle becomes 146 degree. Now we will take in triangle DEA. DE equal to EA. This we have already proved. So these two sides are equal. That means angle DEA is equals to angle DAE. Let these two are equal to x. So I have assumed these as x. So we can say that x plus 146 equal to 180 degree. 2x we will get as 44 degree. 34 degree. So from here we will get x equal to 17 degree. So this angle is now how much? 17 degree, and this is also 17 degree. Then next is FEA. Angle FEA. FEA means this angle we have to find. So what is FEA? It will be 90 angle E minus angle DEA. That is, angle E is 90 and it is 17, so it is 73 degree. Next is angle EAC. Angle EAC. That means we have to find the value of this angle. So for this angle, we will find this whole angle. Okay, and how to find this whole angle? We know that in rhombus ABCD, angle A equal to 180 minus angle B, 56, that is 124 degree. Why? Because they both are forming a pair of co-interior angles. So we found out this angle as 124 degree. Now angle DAC will be half of angle A, because in rhombus diagonals bisect vertex angle. That is half of 124, 62 degree. So this whole angle will be now how much? 62 degree. This one is 17 degree. So what is angle EAC? Angle EAC will be angle DAC minus angle DAE. That is 62 minus 17, 45 degree. Okay. Now last is we have to find angle AEC. This we have to find. Okay, so now what we have to find? This angle. Okay, so this angle we already knew. So in the fourth part, angle AEC. So in square DCFE, angle DEC will be half of 90 degree, that is 45. Okay, in case of rhombus as well as in case of square, diagonals bisects the base angle. Okay, so same reason will be there. So this whole becomes how much? This whole becomes 45. So angle AEC will be angle DEC minus angle DEA. That is 45 minus 17, 28 degree. Okay. So these are our 4 results. So that's the end of this chapter, 14th.